Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best digital coin microscope featuring high-resolution displays, powerful magnification, and versatile tools for collectors, hobbyists, and tech enthusiasts. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Anesok Digital Coin Microscope. The Anesok Digital Coin Microscope is a versatile tool designed to bring the microscopic world into clear view for both beginners and hobbyists. Offering a wide magnification range of 50x to 1000x, it allows users to explore the fine details of coins, plants, insects, and other small objects. The actual magnification varies depending on the screen size and distance from the specimen, ensuring precise observation tailored to each situation. Equipped with a 4.3-inch IPS LCD display, the microscope delivers real-time, high-definition 1080p imaging through its 2-megapixel ultra-precise focus camera. This large screen design makes it easier to examine specimens without the discomfort associated with traditional eyepieces, reducing eye and neck strain during extended use. Illumination is handled by 8 adjustable LED lights, allowing brightness to be fine-tuned using the convenient LED adjustment wheel. This ensures that objects are clearly visible under various lighting conditions, highlighting even the smallest details. Beyond observation, the Anesok Digital Microscope functions as a PC camera. Users can capture high-resolution photos and record videos directly from the microscope, making it simple to document discoveries and share findings. Photos are taken with a short press of the OK button, while videos are recorded with a long press, providing seamless multimedia functionality. Lightweight and compact, this microscope is user-friendly and suitable for a variety of applications. It can be used for inspecting coins, gems, circuit boards, and small plants or insects, making it an excellent educational tool for students, hobbyists, and curious learners. While it is not designed for advanced biological research, it provides a fun and interactive way to explore science at home. Next, at number 4, is the Rievbcau DM7 Digital Coin Microscope. The Rievbcau DM7 Digital Coin Microscope is a versatile tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals who need precision magnification in their work. Featuring a 4.3-inch display, this digital microscope provides up to 1000x magnification, making it ideal for examining coins, electronics, plants, insects, and other small objects with exceptional clarity. Its 1080p video capability allows users to capture high-resolution images and record detailed videos of their subjects, making documentation and analysis straightforward. Equipped with 8 adjustable LEDs, the DM7 ensures consistent and clear illumination, which is essential for viewing fine details, especially in low light conditions. The compact design and intuitive interface make it accessible for adults engaging in tasks such as soldering, detailed crafts, or scientific observation. Its digital functionality bridges traditional microscopy with modern technology, offering easy connectivity and display for immediate inspection. The DM7 is particularly suited for educational purposes, collectors, or technicians who require precision and high-quality imaging. Its combination of high magnification, digital recording, and reliable lighting provides a practical solution for detailed inspection tasks. Whether used at home, in a lab, or for small-scale professional projects, the Rievbcau DM7 offers a powerful, portable, and user-friendly experience for anyone seeking to explore the microscopic world in vivid detail. This digital microscope demonstrates the convergence of convenience and performance, enabling users to observe, record, and share the intricacies of objects that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye, making it an indispensable tool for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Coming in at number 3, we have the Elikliv EDM9 Digital Coin Microscope. The Elikliv EDM9 Digital Coin Microscope brings a new level of precision and clarity to close-up observation, designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Equipped with a 12MP camera sensor and 1080p high-resolution display, this microscope captures even the smallest details with remarkable accuracy, making it ideal for coin collectors, hobbyists, and electronics repair work. Its versatile magnification range of 10x to 1200x allows for intricate exploration of tiny specimens or detailed surfaces. Users can effortlessly zoom in to examine every feature, whether inspecting a rare coin, studying biological samples, or performing delicate soldering tasks. The built-in 8 adjustable LED lights, supplemented by 2 flexible side lights, ensure consistent, bright illumination, allowing clear observation in various lighting conditions. The Elikliv EDM9 is not just for viewing, it also offers comprehensive photo and video capabilities. Images can be captured at resolutions of 12MP, 10MP, and 8MP, while videos are recorded in 1080 FHD, 1080p, and 720p. This makes documentation, sharing, and analysis straightforward and accessible. Additionally, the microscope can be connected to both Windows and Mac computers, enabling a larger view without the need for extra software. Simply use built-in apps like Windows Camera or Photo Booth for Mac. Durability and stability are key features of the EDM9. Its solid aluminum alloy base and stand provide robust support for heavy-duty tasks, from precision microsoldering to long hours of study. Setup is simple. Adjust the stand height, rotate the focus knob, and begin observing with plug-and-play convenience. The Elikliv EDM9 Digital Coin Microscope combines high-quality optics, versatile functionality, and ease of use, making it a reliable tool for anyone looking to explore the microscopic world. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Ddcamera MK7 Digital Coin Microscope. The Ddcamera MK7 Digital Coin Microscope brings the microscopic world to life with its impressive range of features designed for precision and clarity. Offering magnification from 50x to 1000x, it enables detailed exploration of everything from coins to electronic components, revealing intricate details often invisible to the naked eye. Its 7-inch HD LCD display provides sharp, high-definition viewing with 1080p video and 12MP photo resolution, allowing users to examine small objects with remarkable clarity compared to standard smaller screens. Illumination is handled by 8 built-in LEDs, brighter than typical microscope lighting, ensuring objects are well lit for thorough observation in diverse environments. The microscope not only allows close-up study, but also supports capturing high-quality photos and videos, preserving discoveries for documentation or sharing. Adjustable screen height and angle, combined with a stable base, provide flexible and steady viewing, minimizing shake and maintaining focus for precise examination. Additionally, the Ddcamera MK7 can connect to Windows 10 and macOS systems, enabling larger and higher quality image and video viewing through applications such as Windows Camera or Photo Booth. This connectivity expands its utility, making it a versatile tool for hobbyists, collectors, electronics enthusiasts, and anyone seeking detailed, hands-on exploration of the microscopic world. With its combination of powerful magnification, clear display, flexible illumination, and digital capture capabilities, the Ddcamera MK7 Digital Coin Microscope offers an accessible and professional-grade experience, transforming the way small objects are observed and documented. And finally, our top pick for the Tomlov DM9 Pro Digital Coin Microscope. The Tomlov DM9 Pro Digital Coin Microscope represents a significant upgrade in the world of digital microscopy, combining high-resolution imaging with versatile functionality. Featuring a 1920 by 1080p resolution and a 178-degree super-wide viewing angle, this microscope delivers true-to-life colors on its 7-inch HD IPS screen. The glossy screen ensures a smooth visual experience without splash screens or lag, making it ideal for tasks such as circuit board soldering, watch and clock repair, plant observation, jewelry appraisal, and coin authentication. Designed with coin collectors in mind, the DM9 Pro comes with an 8.5-inch extended metal bracket, enabling a full view of coins, while its aluminum base provides enhanced durability and stability. This robust design supports meticulous inspection and documentation, allowing collectors to examine every detail of their collections. The microscope offers magnification ranging from 10x to 1200x, paired with a 16MP photo resolution, allowing users to capture fine details with impressive clarity. The magnification is adjustable by changing the distance between the lens and the object, providing precise control over the viewing experience. Additionally, the DM9 Pro can transmit a 1080p HD real-time view to TVs, monitors, or projectors via cables, and it features USB connectivity for Windows and macOS, expanding viewing options to larger screens. Illumination is handled by 8 adjustable LED lights around the lens, complemented by 2 independent gooseneck side lights. Both the upper and lower lights can be dimmed or charged separately, ensuring optimal visibility in any environment and enabling high-quality photo or video capture even in low-light conditions. The included controller enhances usability by allowing users to take photos and videos without touching the screen, preventing shake while providing smooth zoom and setting adjustments. Overall, the Tomlov DM9 Pro Digital Coin Microscope merges powerful magnification, vivid imaging, and user-friendly features, making it a versatile tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. Amazing tools for every collector and hobbyist. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Best Product for more top-tier gadget reviews and insights.